What's up, guys? Back. It's been a minute, but I got a nice one to show you guys. I got a Dodge Challenger with some nasty dents on the hood and some on the roof. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, I'm into this bad dent right here, so I'll let you check it out and see progress so far. Man, that roof wasn't so bad, but that hood was horrible. It's starting to rain out here. So I'm gonna show you some of the tools I use. Here we go. Limited light, Vaughn hammer. This is a Dent Wizard tool. I don't know what it's called right now. This one's from Blem. I think it's 36-inch ratchet handle. And then those two are Dentcraft wide whale tail, and then the extra wide for getting in those braces.